Okay, y'all, for DIY number 2, this one's going to be super easy. And I already did a video on how you can repurpose kitchen utensils. There's a video that I've done on that one, so if you haven't watched it and you want to go watch it, I'll either have a link to it at the end of the video or in the description box for that. But I had a cheese grater, and my precious neighbor, Debbie, this was her cheese grater, and anyway, she didn't use it anymore because you can see it already had a rusted patina on it. I did not do anything to this cheese grater because I thought in its natural state, it already looked rustic and farmhouse, and I loved it. So I left this cheese grater as it was, but I did stage it and decorate it in that video for you, just showing you the many uses of a cheese grater that you can use. So I took it and took the stuff off of it and decided to decorate it for Valentine's. If you're not into Valentine's, again, like I say, decorate it with some different colors, and you can do this for spring, you can do it for Easter, whatever your theme in your home is. But this raffia was at Dollar Tree. This is new. I bought it a couple weeks ago when it came in a pack. There was 3 colors. I think there was an orange, a brown, and this red. And I love this red. It's more of a berry red. So anyway, I just made a raffia bow, and I tied it around the cheese grater. No hot glue in this. And then these little wood hearts, these came also from Dollar Tree, and you got there were 6 in a pack for $1, of course. And then they had the little twine strings for all of them, and I think those are upstairs. But anyway, the little twine strings even come with these, and they've already got the little hole in them and everything. So I just thought this little cheese grater would be so cute. Just some raffia and just tying on one of those little rustic wood hearts from Dollar Tree, and just look how cute this is. Just set it up in your kitchen or wherever you want to. And I will stage this in the video showing you just how I would stage it and how cute it would look. Just these 2 little simple things added to a cheese grater. So that's DIY number 2. Okay, y'all, the next DIY is also going to be a really easy one. And this one I've been wanting to do for a long time, but I've just now finally got pulled in my head what I could do that it would work. And I thought it turned out really cute. And again, does not have to be Valentine themed. You can do colors that are Easter or, spring. Basically, and this kills me. Every time I pour out some food out of a can, I throw it in the garbage, I'm sitting there going, what can I make out of that can? What can I make out of that can? Well, I saved some a while back. I washed them, of course. And before I forget, anytime you're working with any kind of metal or can or anything, always make sure that you don't have a sharp rim around after you've taken the lid off, because you don't want to come in contact with that and get cut or hurt or whatever. So just make sure you don't have a sharp rim. If you do, you may want to get a hammer or something and just kind of hammer that down to where you don't have that sharp edge. So I just want to point that out too. I don't want anybody to get hurt. And metal is the worst. So anyway, I just emptied out, some food out of my cans as I was cooking, and I saved them, I washed them, and I got my chalk paint. You do any colors you want to do. In this case, since it's around Valentine's, I did some Valentine type colors. And of course I did crimson. I love the crimson red chalk paint by Waverly. And I did elephant. Elephant is one of my favorites. It's the dark gray. And then I did, of course, my ballet slipper pink. And then this is just the white. But you can, like I say, do any colors you want. It's so much fun. So I painted 4. And so basically, hopefully, hopefully you, well, not hopefully, not everybody eats food out of a can. If you have fresh food that you grow, that is awesome. But if you're like me, sometimes I don't have fresh food out of my garden, so I have to get it out of the can. But if you have canned food and you're using it, don't throw it away. So hopefully this will be free for you. So repurpose the can. So basically, this is how I decorated mine. I got some of these little boxwood picks from Walmart. These are 97 cents. Yeah, 97 cents. Here's the little tag. 97 cents at Walmart. I bought a ton of these. I did a wreath video a while back using these. So I just took, I bought 4 for each of my cans. And so anyway, so there's $4, say, for my boxwood picks. And that adds your greenery. These little hearts right here, these are at Walmart. These are 98 cents. And these are just like little glitter heart picks. They also have these at Dollar Tree in a pack. I saw them the other day. They would, of course, would be $1. So I guess they would probably be a little cheaper at Walmart. So anyway, you get red and you get this like little blush pink. And I love this color blush pink. They already come with the little ribbons tied on them with a little stick. So I just stuck these down in there. And then I just took various colored ribbons and made just like some little bows. And like, you know, very rusticy. I just stuck my little bow down in there. I hadn't even attached them yet. Another thing we can do, and I may do this when we stage, again, you can just, you know, bump it up another frou-frou notch. You can get your little pearl, and we can glue a little pearl on this just to kind of add another little level to the heart. And we can put, you know, of course, pearls on our little bows. And like I say, I just made bows, and this ribbon right here. If you haven't been to Dollar Tree lately, they're starting to get like some spring colored stuff in and gardening stuff. So anyway, I picked this up just a couple of days ago. But look at these pretty colors. I love this type ribbon. So anyway, I got some really pretty colors, but I think this one would be really pretty if you want to do some spring themed cans like for Easter. That's a beautiful Easter color. All of these actually would work for Easter too, not just Valentine's. So I just, you know, tied some little bows, and I just, you know, stuck the little bows in here. And like I say, when I stage it, you'll probably see some pearls stuck on them. But anyway, I just kind of color coordinated. And what to do with your little cans, I'll stage and show you ideas of what you can do with them. And I did some little wood blocks. I just went out of Linda's box of wood scraps, and I chalk painted a couple of my boards. Very easy. I mean, this took me, I did this morning. I don't know, this took me less than maybe a half hour to do these. You know, a lot of people don't have access to scrap wood. You know, books, go to Dollar Tree or the thrift store, pick up cheap books. Or if you already have some on hand you've already read, paint your books. Books are great to use you know, for a substitute for wood. This right here is from Dollar General. They have this line right now of a lot of, it's more like a nautical theme. A lot of the blues and the natural woods. So I picked up a couple of these. These are $2. You know, you could flip it over. You could paint this. I love this. You could paint this whatever color you wanted. You could, you know, set your cans either inside. You can paint that, or just what you could do is get some scrapbook paper if you don't want this design or this color, and then just set your cans in this little tray right here. $2 for that. So there's an option. And then also at Dollar Tree, another option for these cans would be these little trays. They have these at Dollar Tree. You can paint them, you know, leave them as is. But anyway, I think the cans would be pretty sitting on these too. And this comes from, this is Mainstays. This is gonna guess be Walmart. I thought I got it at Dollar General, but anyway, I think Mainstays is gonna be a Walmart brand. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong, but anyway, I think this was $1. Very cheap, inexpensive, but it's kind of a blushy pink. I think the cans would be pretty. you know, sitting on this. And again, this could carry you over to springtime. So, see how pretty that is? And then another option that you could do is just, you have chargers. This charger was Dollar Tree. This one right here I picked up at Dollar General. You know, I love the galvanized, but the cans would be pretty sitting on it. And this, if you don't like this color, paint it. It's got great texture around the edge, and this would distress really well with this beaded border. So anyway, you could get this, chalk paint it whatever color coordinates with the kind of cans that you do. So another idea for the cans would be this charger. So I hope y'all got some inspiration from this. And I know this is a lot, and like I say, I'm trying to talk and talk y'all through it and kind of give you more ideas of, because that is my downfall, and it's probably why I don't get many videos out like I should, is because I want to show you every variation of everything in every color. But anyway, everybody's got a, you know, a crafty, creative side. I know y'all can think up things that I don't even think of. But there is a couple more things too that I set out and I forgot to tell you about, is these little flowers. You can get little flower picks, and these would be cute stuck in here. And then even your cotton picks. Walmart right now has these cotton stems. I think they're $1.98. So anyway, cotton stems would be cute in these. So anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. I'm going to get on with the video so y'all can see how I make all this. And it's great talking to y'all, and Happy New Year, y'all. Happy 2020. Thanks for watching.